What's up, students? Let's do the winds of change. You have 73 coins, nickels, dimes, and quarters, totaling $6.95. And you have 4 times as many nickels as quarters. So to solve, you got to make this system. Look at this bad boy right here. So there's your total, okay? There's your details of your total. So nickels, dimes, quarters, and then I converted your dollars to total cents. And then the last part of this one is a 3-part. The number of nickels is 4 times the number of quarters. Okay, you have 4 times as many nickels, so 4 times as many means you would take the quarters times 4 to get the nickels. Holy cow, how are we going to solve this, friends? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to start off with some substitution. Okay, x equals 4z, so guess what's going to happen, friends? You can't really solve it when you have 3 variables. That's way too hard. So what we're going to do is, if we go x equals 4z, we're going to put the 4z in for x, both there, and then rewrite. So let's rewrite that really quick. So if x equals 4z, I'm going to put 4z in for x. So we have 4z plus y plus another z equals 73. I'm just doing substitution. That's all I'm doing. Substitute. Now 4z going into 5x's would be 5 times the 4z plus a 10y plus a 25z equals 695. Okay, so there we go. Let's see here. We have now all we have is just z and y values. So now we're down to 2 variables. So now we can try to eliminate some of them. So I'm going to rewrite the whole nastiness down here. So we have 4z and a single z. So that's going to be y plus 5z's. Like, what do you mean 5z's? 4 and 1 together is 5. Still equaling the 73. Let's see, that's going to turn into a 20z, and 25 more z's would be 45z's. Still equals the 695, and let's also not forget the 10y. Okay, so replay, or rego, redo, rething. Okay, here we go. X equals stuff. Stuff goes in for x. Done. Rewrite. Done. All right, so here's the system that you're actually going to try to solve after a little bit of substitution. Let's see here. Should we make opposite y values or opposite z values? I think we should make opposite z values, and you'll see why here in a second. Check this out. If you make opposite z values, we're trying to make them cancel, right? Okay, so 45 and 5, I think if I use a -9, that'll get the job done. You'll see here in 1 second. So if I take everything times -9 and rewrite, we'll have a -9y. Ooh, that's kind of nice. You should know why. And then a -45z, and then we have a 73 times a -9. There we go. -657. Okay, cool. So let's take a look here. Opposites, gone. Now, why did I use the -9? Because look how beautiful this is. 10y minus 9y is a single y. Oh, isn't that pretty? A single y is going to equal 695. 695 minus 657. 38. Hey, we got y already. Sweet. We got 1. Y was the dimes. There's 38 dimes. Sweet. So yeah, X, Y, Z. All these letters and coins floating around. It's going to be easy to forget one. All right, so we have 1. Y equals 38. All right, so now what should we find next? Let's see here. Y equals... Oh, right here. I would go right here. Let's use this one. Y plus 5z equals this many. So 38, you're going to go in right there. So here we go. Rewrite. 38 plus 5z. I am just substituting at this point, okay? No different than when I had x equals stuff. Stuff goes in for x. Y equals a number. The number can go in for y. All right, here we go. Let's solve this thing. Minus 38. Minus 38. So better do the same thing to both sides. Cancel. 5z equals a number. Oh, please be divisible by 5. This is going to be awkward if it's not. All right, 35. 5, 5. Z is going to be a 7. Okay, so Z is 7, and Z was the number of quarters. We got 7 quarters. And then, man, where should we substitute Z? Z equals 7. I would go right there. Look at that. X equals 4Z. So our final substitution is going to be X equals 4 times 7. Z equals 7, so 7 goes in for Z. X is going to equal 28. Woo, wow, that is a good one. Honestly, if you can do a question like that without my help, you should just teach this class, because that's a great question. That's a really, really good one. All right, cool. So 28 nickels, 38 dimes, 7 quarters. I think it all adds up to all the numbers because our algebra worked out pretty nice. So I could spend another 5 minutes checking, but I'm just going to cut my losses at right there. So there you go. That's the wind of change, friends. Substitute. X equals stuff. Stuff goes in for X. Rewrite. Make opposites. Find Y. Substitute Y in. Find Z. Plug in Z. Find X. You got them all. Good luck with that one, friends. You'll need it.